This is a Jetboil. It costs $130. This is a Bluu Solo. It costs $70. And right now, they look pretty much identical. They act identical, but there's one major difference to these two units, and we're gonna talk about that right now. Hey look, they boil at the same time. So this is my Jetboil. As you can see, I have used this constantly on the trail for a couple years now, and I love this product. It's how I cook all my meals. It's how I get coffee. It's my cup. It's everything. This is my whole kit. Now for just this unit, it costs about $100 without any of the accessories. Boils water in about 1 minute. Really effective, really cool. This is the Bluu Solo, and there's no better way to describe this than this is a Chinese knockoff, but it's also really a lot cheaper than this. One of these you can get into for 70 bucks. That's including a French press accessory. The Jetboil with its French press accessory runs about 130. Now, these look similar, they act similar. There are some differences. One is the handle. I much prefer the handle of the Jetboil than the handle of this Bluu. It's really kind of flimsy, really kind of cheap, and as you can hear with this, it's a little bit loose, whereas the Jetboil really clicks in. I mean, really clicks in. For the lids, I actually like Bluu's lid a lot better. It actually clicks into place. You can feel it, you can even hear it. The Jetboils, I know mine is worn and used, but it's never really clicked into place. It just kind of, well, I hope it stays on. And when you're drinking really hot coffee, that can be a little unnerving. Now, it's never fallen off, it doesn't leak, so it's just that kind of mental thing you gotta get over. So I think that if you're using these to only cook food, to just cook your food, I actually might go with the Bluu unit. I mean, there's really not a big difference in terms of how well they boil, how well they work. Sure, a couple little things like that, this, the fact that the actual stove unit is a little harder to turn into your fuel source, but who cares? I can look past all that, but here's the thing, and here's the rub. The thing that I use these for the most out on the trail is coffee. And when it comes to coffee, the Jetboil just works a million times better than the Bluu. Here's the Jetboil's French press. As you can see, it is 3 pieces. Let me show you how easy this is to get it going. You just take this off, put it through, screw this on, and there you go. It's really easy to clean. You get no grounds in your coffee. It really sticks to the side of this thing. And I really like that it's only 3 pieces. When you're out in the wild, you really don't want to be messing with pieces. And when it's time for this to fold up and go into your bag, it's really easy. There you go. Boom. Here's the Bluu's French press. Let's see if I can, oh, those are rolling away. Hang on. That's not done, I got more down here. No backpackers should be out with this. What is this? First of all, you're gonna lose this whole setup, and you have to break this down and put it back together every time you use this, every time you set up camp. Let's just see if I can figure this thing out. And if you have a French press at home, you know these traditional type French presses are really hard to clean. I don't know which side is up, which side is down. I think this piece goes next. I hope that's right. I don't even know what I'm screwing in at this point. And then we have to screw in the cap. So if you still have all your pieces by this point, you are now ready to enjoy coffee. And look, for someone who just values their time, values the ease of use, for me, it's a no-brainer. I would rather spend an extra 60 bucks for a product that is going to work for me for many years to come, and it's gonna work efficiently, and I'm not gonna be worried about losing pieces or worried that all of a sudden my coffee machine doesn't work out on the trail. For more gear reviews, check out this playlist up here, hiking and backpacking over here, and YouTube thinks you'll like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.